Hello everyone, last video I have shown you how to increase the bass quality in Flowbeats. I have also told you in that video that I will do a video where I will connect an extra subwoofer for my Flowbeats tower system. So before I continue with the video, I just wanted to tell a few people who did comments in the comment section that they want to do video in Hindi. I'm really sorry, my Hindi is not really that good, and to reach the wider audience, I started doing in English. Actually, I started this channel to talk in Telugu, but when I thought like this particular speakers and everything, it's a nationwide thing, and I should reach out to all the people. That's why I started speaking in English. So hope I'm speaking very slowly and understandable English so that everybody can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, coming back to the video, what I have done here, I have Flowbeats Black Diamond tower speakers, and I have taken one extra subwoofer for my 5.1 system. So as you know that 5.1 system, you can keep the satellite speakers separately, connect with them. So I have removed all the satellite speakers and I have only taken the subwoofer system. So subwoofer system has an aux connected to a connector, and this is the aux coming from the TV, and this is the aux going to the subwoofer. This aux going for the tower speaker system. So what I am doing here is I have taken the power outlet separately so that I can on and off the subwoofer. It doesn't have any indication with LED or light system because this is an 20-year-old system. It doesn't even have Bluetooth or any connectivity. Only option is through the aux and RCA. And it has the controllers this side where I can increase the subwoofer volume and the bass. And I have a front, center and a rear system volume controllers, but that we are not going to use. There is no use of that in this video. So only the subwoofer volume will matter. What I'm going to do is I will make this video in one shot so that you will be able to see it clearly. First, I will play one song in this system, and I will turn on this in the middle of the song so that you will notice the difference in bass immediately, so that it's not part of video first and then I connect and show you the difference sometime later. No, I don't want to do that. I want to make it in a single video where you are hearing in the Flowbeats and you add this subwoofer system, and you will be able to notice the difference in bass. And why I do this is because Flowbeats are good. They're definitely good in terms of the bass, but sometimes I feel that bass is not enough for the vocals. Just bass, if it is heavy and if it is adjustable, like it's a different thing, but here the vocals are also too loud, and it sometimes makes me feel that the song doesn't deserve to have such vocals. I try to adjust in the treble, but somewhere that bass punch I don't want to decrease. That's the reason I thought let me connect the extra subwoofer and show you how you can increase the bass and use your old system together, so that if you have any other old system sitting at your home and you want to connect that to your existing tower speakers, this is not just for Flowbeats, because this is a bass king. I want to connect and show you even for this how it will enhance the sound. So hope I will start the video and you will be able to notice that. Let me play a song now. Now it is playing only in this thing. Once I turn on, it will play from here. I'm turning it off. Turning off. Again turning it on. Right, like you heard, hope you were able to distinguish the bass. So what my suggestion is, if you are connecting like this, don't keep it so near. This I have kept only for the video purpose. Try to keep the system somewhere like down if you are keeping these speakers on top, are in a certain distance in middle of these speakers. Don't keep it somewhere like right side of the system. Try to keep it in center of the system so that you have the clear bass coming out from this and supporting the bass coming from the flow beats. And I have tried this and I am really impressed with the bass that I have achieved from this. I suggest you to buy a small connector like this, which will cost you around 200 rupees. I have already left this link in my other video description, but I will also leave in this video. Try to buy a connector like this, which will help you to just connect two speaker systems. And I suggest not to connect your channels to this, because the vocals will again become more loud and more enhanced, which will again disturb your hearing experience. Hope you all enjoyed this video and might help you in something to try at home. And drop a like and comment if you have any questions. I will definitely answer any comment that comes. I answer them immediately. So hope you have all blast off the bass. Thank you so much. Bye bye.